Hello everyone, I'm Police Captain Leia Aligado, the Provincial Logistics and Finance Officer of the Ilocos Norte Police Provincial Office. In the year 2050, I'm looking forward to see the PNP in a more equipped with high standard of equipment that the PNP personnel will be utilizing in conducting investigation and other law enforcement operations, especially in the conduct of investigation. I'm looking forward that they will be utilizing AI for more credible and more faster result with regard to the investigation, so that they can file a complaint in the prosecution for a faster justice to the victims. Also, our forensic will be using more scientific method in solving a crime. I am more worried in the future because maybe in the future the illegal drugs will be more rampant because of the technology, and most of the youth today are involved in the illegal vices. To the youth, my advice, don't lose hope. Just study well to be a better person, and instill discipline in yourselves for you to achieve all your dreams. Just instill discipline.